Magandang buhay everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Megan Aniel, but legally I'm Marpuri. So, ma-confuse kayo dahil ako rin ay confused. Okay, so this video is about my fighting experience in National Muay Thai Championship 2025 here in the Philippines. Yung last pads ko is 2 years ago pa, and I've been training for only 2 months, I think, because last month was my boxing fight. I focused on that, and then I had some important things to do, so I had to finish my NC2 and everything. So, and the school preparation for my kids and my cousin and my sisters. So too many errands, busy schedule, but I still managed to fight and get on that ring. Actually, trip ko lang yun. Tama yung joke or yung sinasabi ng tito ko na to si Megan, nagtitrip lang to eh. Nagpe-painting lang yan dun sa bahay, tapos nakita niya sa post merong laban, tas salihan ko kaya to. Di syempre, sinalihan ng lola mo, sis. Oh my God. Unprepared, no coach, walang support system or whatever, walang training, proper training, and that's okay. I know what I can do and what I'm capable of, so I still push through kasi passion ko to, gusto ko to. I love Muay Thai. Ever since I started training, I became obsessed. I even stopped dancing kasi nag-focus ako sa fighting ko. And then, but that's okay. Everything happens for a reason. I stepped into the ring underweight, but that's not an excuse. So I still did the fight, and I was supposed to fight under 54 kilograms, but I ended up fighting 57 kilos. So I went straight for it. Say I don't have a choice, and the only thing I want to do is fight and show my skills. I wish I could have done more sa fight na yun. I posted my fight here on my channel, so panoorin nyo po. And more to come this coming next year, and I'll be stronger, better. And marami akong nakilala dun sa fight. Dami ko napanood na magaganda, malinis na laban. Dami ko natutunan sa mga tao sa paligid ko, and it was so nice to be in that circle kung yung dun sa Muay Thai, kasi mas lalo ko na-inspired na pagpatuloy ko to. Mag-isa lang akong pumasok dun, pero marami akong nakilala pag alis ko. So maraming salamat sa mga taong tumulong sa akin, mga nag-alalay ng mga taga-iba in San Antonio, Zambales, sa mga coaches, sa mga ka-teammates ko. Thank you so much kasi nalalayan nyo ako. Congratulations sa mga nanalo at hindi nanalo, kasi sobrang lakas nyo, solid. You're in my respect, everyone. Sa mga bata hanggang sa matatanda, hanggang sa heavyweight, solid. Oh my God. Ibang level pag nandun ka na sa loob ng ring. Sobrang kalmado ko lang nung una, tapos nararamdaman ko na siya. Sabi ko, bahala na kung anong mangyari. I thought I could have done more like second round and third round. Actually, okay lang matalo, okay, basta matapos ko yung laban. Medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi patapos na yung 1 round, tapos pinigilan na kami. Taga-Pasig kasi yung kalaban ko eh. So, okay lang. Pero alam ko may ibubuga pa ako. Nagulat lang ako kasi hindi ko tinigil yung laban. Tapos parang unanimous decision, and pabor na rin doon sa kalaban. Pero, anyway, and I'm just proud of myself for what I have overcome over those few days with a lot of people, but I still managed to find the time for myself na isolate ko yung sarili ko kasi hindi ko kaya, sobrang daming tao talaga. Anyway, thank you so much, and I hope that you like this video, and if you have any more comments, suggestions, questions, let me know. And don't forget to hit the bell notification, and see you for more.